to talk to you about low blood sugar or hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia is when your blood sugar is less than 70. It'll cause symptoms of shakiness, your heart will beat fast, you'll get sweaty. It's really difficult to concentrate when your blood sugar is low, so some people might think you're acting irritable, or it's hard to concentrate or focus, so when someone's trying to ask you a question, you might have a difficult time answering. Those are all symptoms of low blood sugar. If you feel like that, always check your blood sugar to make sure that your blood sugar is low. The symptoms of high and low blood sugar are very similar, so you want to make sure that it's low before you actually treat it. So if you check your blood sugar and your blood sugar is low, here are some treatment options for you. Best treatment is a half a cup of juice. This is probably about a cup of juice, so half of this would be sufficient to bring your blood sugar up. You could also use a half a cup of regular soda. Honey, this is a honey stick. Honey sticks are a good way, this is a convenient way to travel. You can put this in your bag or your purse. This will help bring your blood sugar up. This is glucose gel. This can be bought at the pharmacy. You just open this, pull it apart, and then you just drink this. The whole thing will bring your blood sugar up. This is a glucose shot. This is just a liquid of glucose. You drink this and it'll bring your blood sugar up. These are glucose tablets. Glucose tablets are tablets that you can either chew or they'll dissolve in your mouth. You need 3 of these to bring your blood sugar up. So if you are using glucose tablets, remember you need 3 of those. These are gummy lifesavers. You need about 5 of those to bring your blood sugar up. I suggest gummies over hard candy because if your blood sugar is low, you could choke on something that was hard. So that's why it's important to have something that's chewable. You want to make sure that you're treating a low blood sugar with something that can be digested quickly in the body. You don't want to use things like chocolate or peanut butter that have a lot of fat content because it'll take longer for them to process and bring your blood sugar up. So now let's talk about why you might have a low blood sugar. So different reasons you can have a low blood sugar. One, exercise. If you're doing a lot of physical activity, that could cause your blood sugar to be low. It is important to check your blood sugar before you exercise to make sure that it's not low before you start exercising, and to take something to treat a low blood sugar in your meter with you if you're going to go on a long exercise, like to the gym or on a walk or something. Low blood sugar can also happen if you didn't have enough carbs with your meal, if you're on insulin. So make sure that you're eating enough carbs if you're taking insulin at a meal. If you forget to eat or skip a meal, that can also cause a low blood sugar. People who are on steroids, if your steroids level decreases or if you come off of steroids, that can also cause a low blood sugar. So those are reasons why we might have a low blood sugar. If you are having a lot of low blood sugars, you want to make sure you let your doctor know. That might mean you need a change in your diabetes regimen. Also, after you use one of these treatments to bring your blood sugar up, you want to make sure you recheck your blood sugar in 15 or 20 minutes to make sure it came back up. If it's still low in 15 or 20 minutes, you'll want to repeat the treatment. Now you know how to treat a low blood sugar.